Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through the comparison of AWeber versus Mailgun. If you're new to AWeber, check the description for a link to a free trial. For existing users, just log in and follow the steps with us. AWeber provides robust automation tools that allow users to create automated email sequences based on subscriber behavior, such as signups and engagement. The platform offers a wide variety of customizable, mobile responsive email templates to help users create visually appealing emails easily. Users can segment their audience and manage subscribers with detailed insights into engagement and demographics. AWeber includes comprehensive reporting tools to track key metrics like open rates, click rates, and conversions. It integrates seamlessly with numerous third-party applications, including WordPress, Shopify, and various social media platforms. On the other hand, Mailgun specializes in transactional email delivery, making it ideal for developers who need to send automated emails, such as confirmations and notifications. Mailgun provides powerful APIs that allow users to integrate email capabilities into their applications, enabling programmatic email sending. It also offers tools for verifying email addresses to ensure high deliverability rates and reduce bounce rates. Mailgun provides detailed analytics and reporting features to monitor email performance, including delivery rates, open rates, and click rates. I hope you found this helpful. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.